We can see how many times it has tested it. 1, 2, 3, and now I just tested. Last time we talked about Carvana was August 4th, and so that would put us about here. So this was the last time we talked about Carvana, and what was going on around that time? Well, it had launched its private exchange offers. You can see that I marked it here for us on the chart. If we go up, as you can see, that played a large role in what happened a couple days later, because there wasn't really anything announced too differently after that. Most of the things that has been driving this price action lately has been centered around financial outlooks and finances in just general because of their debt. You can see that it's riding along this new trend line that I drew right over here, and it's staying within this major line and this major line here. This line that I drew in the middle is just more of a short-term kind of, it breaks this pretty easily, but these are the bigger points that it wants to stay around, and right now it is staying around this point. We can come in here and look a little bit closer. I'm on the daily chart here, so each candlestick is a day, and you can see that on the day we are looking green. Earlier I'm pretty sure it was red. It looks like as if it's bouncing off this trend line here. If we looked at the previous trend line that I had before, it was probably drawn a little bit closer to this point here. It was probably more drawn this way, and you could see that clearly it was testing this and it broke through, right? So this is now the new spot to look at. Okay, so ever since the financial outlook ahead had been confirmed to be in a positive direction, as you can see by the earnings here, it has been bouncing right off. It has been retesting this line now. We can see how many times it has tested it. 1, 2, 3, and now I just tested it again 4 times in 2 months. It retested this. So there's a chance that if it just happens to break through this little mini short-term resistance area, it's going to retest this and potentially break out because it's testing it so many times. And you can see that it's forming, you can see this line right here, and it's forming this type of wedge, and it's going to break out soon. So either it's going to break out soon or we're going to see some crazy downwards action. However, it looks like to me like it's going to be more upwards action as it's forming this nice little direction. Right now we're sitting right at $39, and I'm pretty sure that some financial analysts had a price target of $38 coming down from the previous $49, $48 area. So all those were really good price targets for them. They're just going based off of, you know, support and resistance lines. Right now we are sitting at 38, and I'm pretty sure another in the last video that I had done had a price target of about $30. So that would be this last top right around here. So if it comes down here, like I said, is something major is going to have to happen for that to happen. Although I don't really see anything major like that happening enough for it to come back down to 30, but I could be wrong. We do have someone that is majorly going against the stock market right now, putting up, I believe, up to $1 billion against shorting the market. And so if something big does happen like that, then you know that somebody did that, and clearly there's more to it than what we know. So it's happening to everything. It's not just happening to Carvana. Not much more to update you guys on this stock. We'll just keep a watch for it, watch out for these areas, and we'll see if it breaks anything. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you all.